when artificial general intelligence comes. And there might be one dominant or a few dominant. They will be so much richer than people because they can generate money almost non-stop since they are smarter than us, okay? Because we're talking about real, like, super intelligence. At one point of time, it will just come and buy out all the stake in proof of stake networks. And at that moment, the price will go up a lot because it'll have to buy it. Or maybe it will buy it out gradually, but everybody will see it. And at one point of time, people will understand, oh, wow, Ethereum went so high, or Polkadot, or whatever other proof of stake that doesn't have identity built in yet. And at the next moment, understand, oh, but now the whole stake is owned by one entity, which is not even a human. Maybe we should move all our financial infrastructure somewhere else.
Yeah.
And it will not happen before this moment because humans are humans. The North Star is the financial system, the world financial system, especially in the age of AI, where all the transaction fees, first of all, it's not controlled by a few like we have in our current financial structure and like we have in proof of work and proof of stake, where people don't have a say in the network. They're not a part of infrastructure like back in 2017. But in our view, this will not be decentralized unless you make per human decentralization. And you see how many people are losing their jobs. More and more talks again about UBI. But what if people actually contribute to the world financial system and the fees that we pay for making transactions and AI agents pay for making transactions are going to be all distributed equally across citizens or any human in the world who joins the network. And eventually, I think banks will stop being the custodians they are right now. They will stop earning 5% on all the deposits and it will actually go to people, and banks will become more like apps on top of blockchains.
Yeah. No.
We got the concentration of stake right now in the hands of few because the retail was wiped out. People had to sell all their holdings in order to pay for the rent.
Mm.
And the institutions are accumulating. Maybe not the low cap coins, but top 50, 100%. And there is nothing we can do with it because it's a proof of stake model. They've done it, I mean, the Wall Street, they've done it with any asset out there. And they will do it with crypto as well. They're just buying it out right now. And identity-based systems is the only thing we have. And the mix of stake plus identity plus reputation plus contribution and the web of trust between validators. Eventually the networks that have the mix of all of it will be more decentralized, and maybe they will not be used by the Wall Street because they better like Ethereum and the ones that it can capture. But I think we Humanode and there are other networks emerging with new approaches to this
Yeah.
decentralization, not dilemma, but capture. Because capital is not decentralized. As people lose jobs, it becomes even more centralized. So these things can never be decentralized in terms of infrastructure. Yes, anybody can use it, but the owners are few.